Okay, Bridges bhai. Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to all the participants for Smart India Hackathon.
Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to all the participants for Smart India Hackathon. Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to all the participants for Smart India Hackathon.
Bridges bhai.
Okay, now you can do.
Am I audible to all? Priti ma'am?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Good afternoon and a warm welcome to the Smart India Hackathon 2020. This is Zubin Baidasna live from the Nodal Center, Parul University, Gujarat, India. Today we have with us Professor Preeti Bhargav, who is the head of Department for Career Development Cell for the Parul University last 10 years. Ma'am, today we have you over here for the ice breaking session. So the stage is all yours. Most welcome, ma'am. Ma'am, your mic is muted, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you, sir, and welcome, students. Today we are here for a warm-up session. In ice-breaking session, I'm going to ask you about some riddles which are very funny, as well as some games like which will increase your observation power. So let us start, student, with the observation power game that which will increase. What I will do in this, that I will present a screen and I will show you one picture for 1 minute. You have to observe that picture with the names, whatever is there in the picture, everything you have to observe it properly, and then I'll put some of the question regarding that picture, and then you have to recall that picture and have to answer it. So shall we start? Are you all ready? Are you all ready, students? You can write on in chat box. I'm going to present the screen. Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible. You can minimize your browser. Start PPT. Fine.
Okay, sure. So, in the observations game, we have the topic Peter's family. So, I'll show you the picture of the Peter family with the name of their family member, with the name of the Peter's family member that you have to observe. I'll just keep it on the screen for 1 minute. You have to observe it properly, and then I'll ask question from the same. Okay? I'm just sure that you are going to definitely enjoy this game. Okay, let us start. So you can see the picture, and you can see the picture of Peter also there on the screen. So yes, you can see grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt, sister, Peter itself as a brother, cousin, and cousins. Okay. So please observe the picture carefully. Then we'll start with the questions. So it's over with the 1 minute, and now we are going to start with the question. Who is Mark? Who is Mark? And the fill in the blanks is given. Mark is Peter's option. Options are there: father, uncle, grandfather. So please answer me. You can write in the chat box. Okay, some of them have written father, some of them are writing uncle. Okay. Fine. So, let us see that who is Mark. Mark is Peter. Now you can see the picture of Mark. Now you can see the picture of Mark. Now you can guess the correct answer. Exactly, Vishal has given the correct answer. Vishal Kumar, grandfather, that is the correct answer. So C, it is correct. Well done, Vishal. Vishal has given the first answer, correct answer. Let us go with the next question. Now, the next question is, who is team? Who is team? And I have also kept the picture of team, which you have already visualized, observed, or we can say. Now, who is team? Team is Peter's brother, cousin, or father. So what you have observed in the previous slide, that you have to recall and then you have to answer. Okay, Vishal is answering cousin. Simran is answering brother. Nikita is also answering cousin. Let us see what is the correct answer. Son is not there. Prayag Patel is writing son, but in option son is not there. Son is not there. Only 3 options are given. Only 3 options are given. Brother, cousin and father. Just you to guess from that 3. Okay, let us see the correct answer. See, you can see the correct answer is cousin. Okay? It is cousin. Going to the next question. Yes, Jerin, you told first and that is the correct answer, Jerin. You have done a very good job. Nice observation power you have. Going to the third one. Okay. Going to the next one. Who is Suzanne? Who is Suzanne? Let me show you the picture of Suzanne so that you can recall it easily. Okay, some of them are writing. Sister Gagan Kumar has written. Okay, options are mother, aunt and sister. Okay. Gagan has given two options, two answers. Sister and aunt. He is writing sister and aunt. Okay. Mayuri has written aunt. Fine. Garima is also writing aunt. Let us see what is the correct answer. So, the correct answer is aunt. Nikita. Garima. Well done. You have done the correct guessing. So, aunt is the correct answer. Going to the next question. Who is Sarah? And now I'm going to, yes, keep the picture. Who is Sarah? Sarah is Peter's cousin, niece and sister. Sarah is cousin, niece and sister of Peter. So, Prayag Patel is writing girl. Girl is not in the option at all, Prayag. Option are cousin, niece and sister. Okay, Mr. Bajaj has written niece. Okay, Nikita, Mayur, okay, Nikita and Mayur are answering cousins. Exactly, the correct guessing is yes, Sarah is Peter's cousin. So going to the next question. Who are Paul and Pat? The question is, who are Paul and Pat? And I'm going to keep picture of Paul and Pat. So this is the picture of Paul and Pat in front of you. And now you have to guess from the given three options: parents, cousins, grandparents. Jatin is writing parents. George William is writing cousins. Saturdrew is writing niece. Samuel is writing cousins. Okay. Let us see. Paul and Pat are Peter's parents, cousins or grandparents. The correct option is parents. So, yes, well done. Those who have written parents, Jatin and many others have written parents. Okay, Mr. Bajaj has also written parents. So, yes, well done. That is the correct guessing. Paul and Pat are Peter's parents. Okay, so now going to the next question. Who is Mary? The picture is in front of you. And the answer is grandmother. Mary is Peter's grandmother. Going to the next question. Yes, definitely you will get 1 lakh rupees, okay? I am going to send 1 lakh rupees to you. Mr. Bajaj has written that he wants prize. Prayag is writing 1 lakh rupees, or I think so it's 10 lakh rupees, okay? Fine. Let us go with the next question. If your all answers are correct, then I will give you the prize, okay? Okay. Now you have to match this. Uncle, cousin, sister and father. So the first picture you can see that is of a girl. Now that girl is uncle. No, definitely it is a girl, so not uncle. But cousin, sister, what you can guess? The first picture in the matching. Grandmother. No, grandmother is not there at all in the option. Fine, many of them are writing sister. George is writing sister. Mr. Bajaj has written all 3 options, sister, cousin and uncle. Siddharth is writing sister. Nikita is also writing sister. Let us see which is the correct answer. Okay, so sister is the well done Nikita, well done Siddharth. Sister is the correct answer. Okay, now going to the second picture. So second picture is of a small baby, and that is uncle, cousin or father. Definitely it is a baby. So you have 2 options. Again cousin and father. So correct answer is it is already there on the screen. You can able to guess it very easily that it is a cousin. Yes, well done cousin. So that correct answer. And the last one is 2 options are there. You have to do the correct guess in uncle or father. The last picture is of uncle or father. Okay. Many of them have written uncle. Let us see, is it uncle or it is father? So it is uncle. Well done. Well guessing. You have given correct answer. Mr. Bajaj. Okay. Again, Daya Singh has written uncle, cousin. No, it is uncle. Fine. Okay. Going to the next question. So well done students, you have done a great job. This is all which we have finished with the Peter's family, which is an observation game. Now let us start with one more, which is funny riddles. So we'll start with funny riddle. I'll put one of the funny riddle question in front of you and you have to guess that what is the answer. Just a minute. Wait, students. So let us start with the funny riddles. Screen is again in front of you. Fine. Which table has no legs? Which table has no legs? The question is in front of you. You have to guess that which table has no legs. timetable. Okay, that is the different. Okay, the word is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and of 9 letters. I am giving you hint. Word is of 9 letters, and okay, many different answers are coming, but the timetable is of not 9 letters. Okay, yes, Nikita. Okay, let us see the answer. Score table. Okay, so it is there in front of you. It is yes. It is vegetable. Okay. Yes, it is. Yes. Okay, going to the next one. Which kind of dog never bites? Which kind of dog never bites? Yes, which kind of dog never bites? Exactly, Siddhant Patra has given the correct answer. That is hot dog. Exactly, hot dog is the correct answer. Okay, well done. Let us go with the next question. Students are really enjoying writing answers as well as sending funny emojis also. It is black, but you say it is clean. It is white, but you say it is dirty. What is it? Again, I am repeating the question. It is black, but you say it is clean. It is white, but you say it is dirty. What is it? Daya has written the first, yes, correct answer, and that is the blackboard. Exactly. So, yes, the correct answer is blackboard. Going to the next question. What is the largest ant in the world? Largest ant in the world. Vishal Kumar has written the correct answer. Okay, so answer is yes, elephant. Largest ant in the world is elephant. Okay, well done Daya, well done Abhishek, you have written correct answer. Okay, well done Vishal. Going to the next question. From what number can you take half and leave nothing? This is something very tricky. From what number can you take half and leave nothing? You have to guess the correct number. From that number, if you can take half, then you will leave nothing. Any guessings? Exactly 8 is the first answer which is given by, I'm sorry that I cannot spell your name properly. It is Satadru. Okay. So the correct answer is 8. EIGHT. Going to the next question. Siddhant, yes, 8 is the correct answer. Going to the next question. What has hands but no feet, a face but no eyes, nobody tells but does not talk? I am repeating. What has hands but no feet, a face but no eyes, nobody tells but does not talk? Exactly, Siddhant. Clock is the correct answer. Jatin has also given the correct answer. Nikita, okay, clock. Spelling is wrong. But yes, the answer is right. And the correct spelling, CLOCK. Yes, well done, students. Good guessing. Going to the next. How many months have 28th day? The question is again in front of you. How many months have 28th day? Day. Nikita has written correct answer. Rishita is also writing every month. Yes. 12. Gagan, Rishita, yes, correct answer. It is 12 months. So, answer is 12. All month is also right, Simran. Okay. Going to the next question. What five letter word has 6 left when you take 2 letters away? Very simple. What 5-letter word has 6 left when you take 2 letters away? Shefali is the first person who has given the correct answer, and that is 60. Okay, so if you will take out 2 letters away, that is TY, then the 6 will remain. So the correct answer is 60. And this is the last question. Then we will end with the session. What belongs only to you and yet is used more by others than by yourself? I am repeating the question. What belongs only to you and yet is used more by others than by yourself? There is something which is belonging to you, but it is used more by others than yourself. So what it is? This is the last question, students. Then we will end up the session. Any answer? Any guessing? Yes, exactly. Rishita, Nikita, Mayuri. Correct answer is your name. So your name belongs to you, but it is used more by others than by yourself. Okay. So we are here ending the session. Yes, Subin sir, Hitul madam.
Thank you, Priti ma'am, very much for this interactive session, for the ice-breaking activity. Thank you very much. Okay, to all the participants, you have still 1 more hour left with you. At sharp 5, we'll be beginning with your next round of evaluation. Till then, have a good day. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.